Tara, let's explore Margate Part 2! Welcome to Margate!
Touch the sky, feeling bolder. Going out, going all the way. Going out, yeah, 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 yeah. Going out, going all the way. Going higher. Going all the way, going up. Going all the way, going up. Going all the way, going higher. Break the mold, then press repeat. Get 'em up, get 'em up.
Hi guys, I'm Julius.
And I'm Tristan. We're chasing adventures one stop at a time. Welcome to our travel vlog.
So guys, very unique din tong place na to, itong Margate Place. So, kakaiba siya compare sa napuntahan namin na seaside din where sa Brighton. But pero ito medyo ano siya, talagang ma-explore mo siya. Meron siyang dito sa gitna na
May walkway.
may walkway in between the water and the seashore. But sa oras na to, papunta kami dun sa parang ano siya
Harbor Arm.
Arbor Arm siguro. It's
Para siyang anong tawag dyan? Lighthouse.
parang siyang lighthouse.
Pwede kang mag-walk at makikita mo yung kahabaan ng shoreline ng Margate.
Yeah, sure ka dun sa mga shoreline na yan. Sure na sure.
Nakapaka-relaxing. Alam nyo, yung hampas ng hangin gives you a cleansing feeling.
Yeah. Pero alam mo this time, yung hangin hindi ganun kalamig kasi nga summer. So sakto lang siya. Hindi mainit, hindi malamig. So perfect.
And how are you feeling? Happy birthday!
Thank you so much. I'm feeling cold.
Napakaganda ng Margate, no?
Ang ganda actually.
Oo.
Underrated.
Yes, exactly the
Very
word.
nice.
Kasi commonly ang mga makikita mo sa Instagram are the
Yung
famous like
pag-Birchman.
Brighton, Cornwall.
Yeah.
And surprisingly, napakaganda ng Margate.
Maybe because less yung crowd. Kaya mas na-appreciate mo siya.
Yeah, totoo, hindi siya maraming tao.
Dito pala sa Harbor Arm may mga seating area, so pwede ka rin kumain dito. 'Di ba? Mag-chill. Enjoy mo lang yung pag-upo mo diyan. So we are here. Kaming gallery along the way. Let's explore what's inside. More on mga paintings, no? For me, painting is about three things. It's about revelation, communication, and celebration. Tama. Sabi naman ni J.M.W. Turner, job is to paint what I see, not what I know. Wow. Ang ganda. Nakausap namin pala guys yung wife ng artist. And she's
Michael
very lovely. Yeah.
Richardson,
Richardson, I think. Yeah.
Yeah. Mabait yung asawa niya.
So she says that he travels to paint.
Yeah. Oo, mabilis nilang ginagawa daw. Like, on that moment, pinipaint niya daw yun. So, mabilis lang daw niya
Post
nagagawa.
din sa akin, next niya is Montenegro.
Oh, next niya is Montenegro. Grabe, no?
So, I think buhay pa siya.
I think so, yeah. They've been married for 45 years, she said. Grabe, no?
And it's really, ang galing ng art. Parang,
Oh, tsaka may yung mga art niya may natural saan
medyo
nature.
expensive siya. Mga around, ang pinakamababa niyan is 200 pounds.
Oo.
The more na lumalaki, the more na mamahal yung paint.
Kasi parang binibigay niya rin na framed yung mga arts eh.
Which is, I think, yun naman yung worth it
Oo.
nung
I think it's reasonable because he's the work of his art, di ba? He had to travel to paint. Let's now go to the beach.
we're heading to the beach,
Ayan na
to
yung-
the seashore.
Mga seagull. Naghahanap sila ng pagkain. Wow! So let's go to the main beach. I'm so excited.
Asan ba yung ano? Ferris wheel.
Ang gusto kong gawin ay maligo sa dagat, guys. Excited na ako maligo. Tingnan niyo yung dagat nila. Malinis din naman siya. Tapos yung sand niya is golden brown. Yan. Tsaka mababaw lang yung shoreline niyo.
Fun fact! The sand in Margate is unusually fine and golden. Margate's beach is known for its soft, fine-grained sand, which is one reason it became a fashionable seaside destination as early as the 700s.
So hanap lang kami ng location for lalagyan natin ng sapin sa sand at doon tayo upo sandali. Mga kalakwatsa, kung plano nyo kumain sa beach, ito mga kalaban nyo yung mga seagull. Kaya better na you either eat with the umbrella, yung beach umbrella. Papunta na tayo sa dagat.
Dagat na po.
Medyo marami yung tao, no?
Oo. Pero sobrang luwag niya kasi. Ang laki ng shore niya. Like parang hanggang dun.
Oo.
Tapos sobrang low tide pa siya.
Yan yung mga tao. Yan. Mabilis na lang natin ipapakita, guys, kasi
It's a public, so
tsaka low tide ngayon eh, no? So, see you in the beach. Wow! Ang lamig ng tubig! Ah, napaka-refreshing.
napaka-perfect para sa mainit na panahon.
Tapos ako mag-swimming, grabe, napaka-refreshing.
Tinry ko din tingnan yung temperature ng tubig. Compare dun sa Brighton, malamig ito.
Oo.
Sakto lang talaga na nasa middle na hindi malamig, hindi mainit.
Sobrang sakto lang yung lamig niya, napaka-refreshing niya kasi mainit yung panahon ngayon. Hindi siya kasing clear ng mga dagat natin compared sa Pilipinas, just to give you what it is like. Pero enough na siya to make you refresh in summer. Maganda yung lugar, mababa yung shoreline, it's perfect for kids.
Yeah, ang daming batang naglalaro. Ang cute.
Kaya nga this place is very ideal for family. It's a family place, no?
Yes. Kaya sabi nga dun sa ni-research ko na etong place na to, ito yung one of the best summer holiday ng mga taga London. Pumupunta sila dito just less than 2 hours. At ito yung makikita nyo, sobrang ang laki niya. So pwede kayong kahit maging crowded siya, parang may place pa rin kayo for here.
'Di ba napakagandang lugar for free? You know, you don't have to pay anything. Maglatag ka lang diyan, magdala
Of
kayo ng
course,
food.
kung makakalimutan yung pangsapin, tsaka kung may malaki kayong payong, dali nyo na din para better din. tuwalya, pag naligo kayo,
Sunblock.
sunblock,
Yeah.
pamalit. Of course, huwag niyong kakalimutan ng pamalit.
Yes, kasi ako hindi ako nadalang pamalit. Pero okay lang kasi mainit naman yung panahon magdadry din yung board short ko. Ikutin pa natin tong Margate. We're not
Yeah.
done with our adventure. So, let's go around.
Hello mga kalakwatsa, mahaba yung shore. I think it takes 3 minutes from the shore there up to that street.
Yeah.
So mahaba-haba, maluwag siya. Marami din bilihan dyan sa gilid-gilid.
Pwede
So,
rin kayo mag-rent pala ng mga tent.
yeah.
Ay, tent. Ang tawag dyan yung parang folding bed.
Upang harang kasi pag mahangin, hindi mapupunta sa mukha nyo yung...
Deck chair, sunbed,
Sun,
windbreak, ganyan.
Ang deck chair is 5 pounds, sunbed is 6 pounds, windbreak is 4 pounds.
Umbrella rin
Umbrella,
meron din.
no?
Ay, sobrang sarap. Sarap-sarap sa feeling ng lamig. Thank you so much, Lord, for this experience. Ang saya. Mga kalakwatsa, dito naman tayo sa arcade. Ay,
Yeah, may amusement sila sa nakakatawa, di ba? After mong maligo, maglalaro naman tayo.
Let's go! Nagpa-change kami ng 5 pounds to 1 pound coins.
Laro tayo ng mga klo-klo.
Oo. Asa si Jem?
Galingan mo ha.
Lion King. Galingan mo ha? Okay, so this is 3 plays for 1 pound.
Kaliwangan mo. Gusto ko yung may buhok yung kariban ha.
Oo. Ay, sayang. Okay, second try.
Second attempt, guys.
Second attempt. Please. Ayan, sakto na yan. Woo! Ay, sayang. Okay, so meron pang isang attempt. Third attempt. Ay, sayang. Yes.
Ang hirap, so frustrating.
Okay lang.
1 pound.
Hanap naman tayo iba, maglaro naman tayo, no? Panoorin naman natin si JM mag-basketball. In mo, my friend! Woo!
Space drop.
Space drop. Ano gawin ko? Ipipindutin ko lang to?
Oo,
Basta sumakto siya oh, tapos
Baka may count siya. Tingnan ko may count.
Asa may count to?
Ituta.
Anong, isasakto ko siya dito?
Para mapindot niya yung pag gano'n. Nakikita mo yung pag gano'n.
Ayan na yung nakaangat na yun, no? Para siyang
Nakaangat,
clip.
Parang ipit.
Ah, okay.
Para bumaba.
So, pipindutin ko na? Ay. Isa pa? Ay, isa lang beses. Wala, sayang. Kaya nga. Okay, hindi tayo nanalo. So, lalabas tayo guys. Guys, nakakaaliw. Parang ang feeling mo bata ka ulit.
Hirap manalo na yun.
Kaya nga, ang hirap ito eh. So yung mga tito-tita nyo walang napanalunan. So, punta na tayo sa kapihan. Thank you.
Just the one for you.
How much is it?
That would be 275.
Thank you. So 4.75 ang isa. Thank you. So, trinay lang namin yung rice and bun. Tikman natin siya later. Ito yung store niya. So, pakita ko sa inyo. Kanina kasi guys, pinipilahan to eh. So, very curious kami. Bumalik kami and then we bought something. Ako yung blueberry and then si Jem, I think yung may banana. So, we'll check out later kung anong lasa niya.
Welcome to Dreamland, where everyone dream in this land.
Fun fact! Dreamland Margate was famous for scenic railway, opened in 1920. It is one of the world's oldest surviving wooden roller coaster in the world. And it's one of the only handful of historic scenic railways ever built. In January 2026, the historic wooden roller coaster has retired permanently as a ride after engineering assessment concluded it was no longer viable to operate safely. Welcome to Dreamland. Yan, may Ferris wheel. Para silang perya, no? Theme park. Okay, so may mga laruan, may mga laro, may ice cream. Okay, so hookah duck. So meron ding cups and saucers na carousel ride.
Ito lang pala siya.
Oo, ito na siya. Hindi siya busy today, no? Sunday ngayon. Usually, pag ganito, maraming tao. Pero, it's nice. Mostly pang bata talaga siya. Guys, mag-ghost train tayo. So, magkano ka lang ticket? Hi, how much is for the ghost train?
One token each, and every token is £3. So £3 each.
Ah, okay. £3 each. So, we'll get three?
Three tokens, yeah?
Yes, thank
So
you.
that-
Thank you.
Have a lovely day.
Thank you.
Welcome. Take care.
Take care. So, we will do Ghost Ride! Yay! Mga kalakwatsa, sasakay tayo sa Ghost Train. My friend!
Anong tawag dito?
Ghost Rider. Ghost Train ride. So, I'm excited. Alive. Grabe! Yeah, thank you! Thank you! It was fun! Yeah, thank you! She comes out.
I'm expecting for more.
It was quite short, but it was fun.
Meron pa lang ako.
Okay, bye!
Hindi pa lang ako eh.
Ang bilis eh, no? Pero nakakatakot no? Nakagulat. Oo, nakakatakot pa ikaw lang mag-isa. Pero alam mo, parang paparating ka pala sa takot.
Init. Alam mo yung hindi ka makahinga sa init.
Nakakatuwa.
Alam mo, nagulat ako na
Alam mo, kala ko may ihi. Nakakatuwa. Masaya siya, guys. Mag-wild river tayo. Guys, try naman natin tong Kentucky Derby.
Look into my eyes.
2 pounds per one race. Hello.
How
So
are you? Good.
we're going to have a race here. Okay, let's go.
Wait for the bell. We're going to wait for the bell. Right. We've got 7, 5, and 3. Right. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready? Ready! Right, here we go. Wait for the bell. Wait for the bell. Wait for the bell.
Racing on the Kentucky Derby.
Wait for the bell.
Roll the ball to get the scores.
Wait for the bell.
Racing on the Kentucky Derby. Here's to play it now.
Here we go, going racing. It's 5s and 8, 5s and 8. It's 7s and 8. It's 7s and 8. Who's it gonna be? It's 5s and 8, 5s and 8. It's 5s and 8, 5s and 8. It's 5 and 7, neck and neck. Who's it gonna be? Happy birthday, everyone. So, anyone win this side and let's try to go again? The 2 wins. It's up to you.
One more daw, guys. So let's do it. Kailangan galing ako na. Wait.
Are you 21? Yeah.
I'm 20.
You're Jim. I say nothing. Okay, 22.
22 na. I'm older than her.
Birthday 22.
Right. Wait for the bell. Wait for the bell.
Racing on the Kentucky Derby.
Wait for the bell.
Roll the ball to get the scores.
Wait for the bell.
Racing.
Go, go, go! It's 7s and 8, 7s and 8, 5s and 8, 7s and 8, 7s and 8. Come on, number 3. What's going on? 7s and 8, 7s and 8. 3's good to sleep. It's 7s and 8. It's 7s and 8. Come on, number 3. What's going on now? Number 3, what happened to you? This is
I'm
you.
relaxing. I'm relaxing.
So
I'm
slow.
just relaxing. It's not my birthday.
It's not your birthday, is it? No. Have your tokens.
Happy birthday!
Tayo nanalo sa ano sa...
It's a winner! It's a winner! It's a winner!
Mga kalakwatsa, maraming salamat sa pagsama niyo sa amin today.
Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa aming gala for today. Ngayon, pauwi na kami.
Nag-enjoy ako dito talaga sa Margate. It's a surprise for me kasi hindi ko siya usually nakikita sa Instagram, and to be seen
Yes.
in person, napakaganda niya.
Actually, hindi ko rin expected na may ganitong amusement. So parang today, ang nangyari sa amin, seashore and then amusement and then mga arcades games. So it's really a full activities po today. Kaya ang saya.
And nanalo pa si JM sa kanyang
Yeah.
birthday.
Ano nga daw, birthday luck ba yun? Sabi niya, birthday luck daw. Twice pa siyang nanalo, nakakahiya naman. Anyway guys, maraming salamat muli.
Actually, hindi siya lock kasi ang layo ng lamang ko sa
Wow!
Okay, ang yabang niyo po pala.
Hindi ko to i-edit, hindi ko to i-edit.
Pahabol. Kasi ano eh, malayo.
So mga kalakwatsa, if you enjoyed watching this video, and if you also want to try to come in Margate, it's definitely a recommended place in summer here in
Yeah,
England.
it's just less than 2 hours guys from London.
So if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like
Comment!
at subscribe.
Maraming salamat mga kalakwatsa. See you again sa ating susunod na gala. Bye-bye!
Hey! Kalakwatsa, itatry na natin yung rice and bun. Ayan.
Pinipilahan siya guys nung nakarating kami kaninang umaga. Ang aga-aga, sobrang haba ng pila.
So nasa tray na tayo, dito natin siya itatry.
And the other one is...
Ano sa ito, my friend?
Lotus.
Ay, bunol.
Lotus, matapon ulit. Lotus.
Ang sarap.
Ay, matapon.
So, akala nila kasi
Cake.
Cake.
cake, yung pala...
Yun lang,
Kaya nga,
Bun
rice and
pala
bun
siya.
So, mukha siyang masarap. Let's
Sa atin,
see.
ano, cheesecake.
Yung comprehension.
Ano tawag dyan? Blueberry.
Okay.
Sa tayo kasi ng place.
Ayan, akala namin
very
talaga cake
enticing
siya.
mga itsura.
Eh, ang daming tao. So, na-curious na rin kami. So, why not? Let's try.
Hindi pa tayo nag-pray.
Pray tayo. This is our coffee. Thank you po, Lord. Ano tayo may spray? Alcohol? Ay,
training.
Mabilis na yun. Let's dig in.
let's begin. Okay, let's try. I'm gonna try the blueberry. Oh. Okay, yung consistency ng bread niya,
Nung ikaw, ito
Ano to?
it's definitely a bun.
Banana biscuit? Oh, just biscuit.
Tapos, cheesecake on top of the bun. Ganun yung lasa niya.
cream cheese siya na may.
So, ako titikman ko is biscuit.
Yung bun niya is ano, yung, alam mo yung may cinnamon roll?
Okay. Cinnamon.
Ay, masarap siya actually. Hindi siya matamis. Pwede na. Kaya siguro siya binabalikan. Yung lambot niya para pa-cake na.
Actually, no?
Actually, yung
lambot
bun niya is, alam mo yung cinnamon natin
Oo.
na cinnamon roll na bread.
Pero partida ha. Kanina pa to available pero hapon na namin siya binili. But the consistency wise,
Still fresh. Sarap niya with black coffee. I like the Biscoff better kasi, my friend, wala ka nakuha.
parang ano nga ang ano niya, style niya. Paikot na tinapay.
Mas gusto ko yung Biscoff, parang mas match yung cinnamon na lasa sa Biscoff. Okay din naman yung ano.
Ay, malasa yung ano, berry.
Kaya nga yung sabang matamis siya. For me. Wow.
Kain tayo lang.
Ang harap siya. Sarap siya pa merienda, with coffee.
Perfect siya pang ano. Pag tapos mo kumain, pang patanggal umay. Magkano isa? 450.
475 isa.
Medyo expensive siya pero worth it guys. Kaya siya
Actually,
pinipilahan.
ang lasa nito, yung parang sa Starbucks na cinnamon bun, creamy cinnamon bun.
Yes.
Yung gano'n ang lasa niya sa akin.
And in this case kasi parang nilagyan lang siya ng flavor. Kapag berry, lagyan na ng berry. Kapag bistop, nilagyan ng bistop. Na may cream. Pero kapipiliin ako, mas gusto ko itong si bistop.
Biscoff.
Ay, bistop. Biscoff, sorry.
God be the glory! Thank you po, Lord! Margate is definitely a must visit in summer here in England. So for more travel adventure, check out these videos.